Welcome back. Here you can see the empty bottles beginning their journey, meticulously prepared before they're filled with that signature taste.
All right, bring that pallet in right here. Watch the clearance on your left.
Pallet 47 is cleared for staging. Confirm receipt.
Flow rate is steady. Check the pressure.
Copy that. Pressure looks nominal.
Tank level at 90%. Maintain flow.
Acknowledged. Maintaining flow.
Start the agitator on low. We need a perfect blend.
Agitator engaged. Counting down.
Transfer complete. Initiating primary mix in 3, 2, 1.
Blending velocity is perfect. We're holding the BRIX level steady.
Sample drawn. Final pH and density check commencing.
Transfer flow rate is excellent. System pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
The water is fully pre-carbonated. We are ready to mix with the syrup.
Infusion sequence started. Watching for initial pressure climb.
Final BRIX reading clear. Just need the pH confirmation.
Look at this reading here on the panel.
Yep. That seems high for the current batch.
Let's log it and compare it to yesterday's metrics.
Tanks 1 through 6 confirmed stable. Ready for bottling queue.
Look at the heating curve on Sector 4. It's deviating.
Recalibrating the regulators. That should bring it back within tolerance.
Brushing sequence optimal. Water temperature confirmed.
The pressure looks consistent on this cycle.
Readings confirm optimal flow rate.
Zero defects detected. Bottle integrity confirmed.
Level control is perfect, minimal deviation.
Cap feed rate optimal, maintaining 99.9% success.
See this spike right before the dip? It correlates exactly with the machine head adjustment yesterday.
We need to recalibrate Sector 3 immediately, or we'll have more rejects.
Final inspection is clean. Begin packaging phase.
Color calibration is spot on, ready for full run.
I'm seeing a slight deviation on the tension control. Adjusting the feed rate now. Check the alignment.
I'm bumping the tension up to 50. Okay, print quality looks good from here.
Label placement is perfect, adhesion strong.
Code readability is clear. Final checks on batch alignment.
Reject confirmed on bottle 402. Running diagnostics on scanner calibration.
The pressure test results are stable. 0 rejects in the last batch.
I'm increasing the group speed to specification. Confirming throughput is optimal.
Film tension looks perfect. No wrinkles on this run. Holding the temperature at 250 degrees for a perfect seal.
These are flawless, ready for palletizing and shipment.
The layer count is correct. We're ready for the next pallet.
Pallet wrap initiated. Confirming full containment for transport.
Scan complete. All data uploaded to the inventory system.
Clear path for transport. Ready to load once you're clear.
Door secured. Shipment is sealed and ready.
Have a safe trip.
And that is the final stage of quality assurance. Truly incredible to see.